Descript pricing for May of 2023. So let's check it out here. It says all plans include transcription, editing, screen recording, templates, stock media, and captions. And you can see that it does change a little bit as you need more team member, but assuming most people are just going to be using one, then they have the annual and monthly plans. Let's just go with monthly. I think that's probably going to appeal to the most people. So of course there's a free plan. They give you an hour of transcription per month and one watermark-free video export per month. It's capped at 720p. They let you remove which are the most common filler words, and you can build an overdub of 1,000-word vocabulary, get some green screen, etc. And then, yeah, there's some other things there too. Creator is getting started out here. You get 10 hours a month of transcription. You get unlimited watermark-free exporting up to 4K. And then Pro version is 30 hours a month, unlimited 4K, and you get more filler words that you can filter for with their AI. And then of course there's their enterprise custom plan. And at annual, looks like you save a few bucks per month on each of the plans, $6 a month, $288 per year. So that is the Descript pricing as of right now. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video about Descript. It really means a lot. If you found any value in it, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And check out the links in the description below this video for other helpful videos in the series, and also some other helpful links to help you be more productive in your Descript journey and in your business. Thanks for watching.